2 days after DawnNews aired a news report showing a white Land Cruiser with tinted glasses entering into the federal capital's highly guarded red zone, the Foreign Office of Pakistan says that the vehicle did not belong to Foreign Minister Shah Qureshi. The Foreign Minister's name cropped up when a policeman told DawnNews that the vehicle belonged to Shah Mahmood and was hence allowed entry into the area where many sensitive government installations are located.
MNA साहब के नाम पे गाड़ी है, उनका नाम है एक मिनट ना पहचान एक मिनट सब्र कर लेना, मैं आपको बताता हूँ। शाह महमूद बताए।
शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब। ये तो शाह महमूद कुरैशी साहब तो इसमें नहीं बैठे हुए थे।
ये खुद ड्राइविंग कर रहे थे। प्लेटफार्म गाड़ी है, 2 दिन पहले उन्होंने वो गाड़ी ली है, ऊपर डेट डाली हुई है और गाड़ी चेक की है, वो आगे चले गए।
It may be recalled that the vehicle did not have a registration number plate and yet it managed to pass through several security checkpoints. The Foreign Office has now said that it has taken up the matter with the Islamabad police for lapse in the security and for taking remedial measures. While the Foreign Office has categorically denied that the Land Cruiser belonged to Foreign Minister, sources mentioned that policeman who named Mr. Qureshi ostensibly to save his own skin was in fact cruising for a bruising himself. Sajid Gondal, DawnNews, Islamabad.